Hi everyone, Dooney here, and welcome to my channel. So we're going to take a look at Chain Guardians today, because unfortunately, the price structure that Chain Guardians has been adhering to for the past few months has been broken to the downside, given the continued market weakness. So let's dive into the charts to see what we can see, okay? So looking at Chain Guardians on a daily time frame, this is where we can see that it has been trading within a range since August of 2021. So ever since we crossed through this 81-cent barrier right here, we have pretty much been trading sideways like this. Sometimes we had some good run-ups right here, but we were mostly around this zone right here. So in our last Chain Guardians video, we did identify that the way Chain Guardians moves is it adheres to particular ranges before either going down or going up. When it goes into a new range, it tends to stay there. Unfortunately, this 81-cent support level that we have identified in the past has officially been broken. And look at what happens when you have a break in this particular structure. Now we are struggling to get back up right here. There are some positive things about Chain Guardians that we can see. One is, in spite of the price action right here, if you notice, the RSI tends to just hover around this area right here. It doesn't really get oversold. The other thing to note, of course, is stock RSI is currently at below levels right here, so we may expect some short-term bounce back right here. It is especially likely because if you look at the EMAs, we are also way overextended from the EMAs, to which Chain Guardians somewhat adheres to. Moving forward though, where could we potentially go? This is the problem when we fall down support, because sometimes what happens is this support right here, moving forward, if the markets continue to be in a confused state, even if we rally right here, we can actually now meet this 81 cents as resistance moving forward. So the most bullish case for Chain Guardians is we break through this 81 cents right here, back tested a support so that at least we are now within this price range that we were for over the past few months once again. But if we fall further, where could we potentially go? The new floor that we can establish is this zone right here of around 39 cents or 40 cents. How do we know that? That is because when you look at this particular price range right here to the left, this was the floor and this was the floor that it tested before it eventually continued to the upside. But we're not going to get there overnight like this. The things to note about Chain Guardians is we still have to hit certain support structures. This is one of them. This is one of them because this was the swing low right here. This is another one because this was the swing high right here. And before we actually hit the floor, there's actually one more support structure, which is this particular support right here. Why is that? That is because this was the swing low before the swing high, before the subsequent floor. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 price levels to watch out for. 59 cents, 51 cents, 43 cents, and 40 cents. We will hover in certain zones. So for example, if we know that the markets will continue to be weak, then expect Chain Guardians to hang around here between the 59 cents and the 81 cents. If we get further capitulations, for example, if Bitcoin dumps once again over the next couple of weeks, and if we fall through this particular 59 cent support, the new range that we will be hovering in would be the 51 and the 59. If we fall, then we will fall to the 43. And if we fall, then we will fall to the 39. If you're looking to come into CGG, you really have to spread out your buys. Because if we hover around here, for example, then of course you can DCA around here. But if you want certain market entries to really maximize your efficiency, you can also target the key support structures. If we hit the floor of 59 cents, then this is a buying opportunity. If we hit the 51, buying opportunity, 43, buying opportunity, 39, buying opportunity. And the most prudent way to do that is, of course, spread out your buys. If you like that video, hit like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Also, let me know what you think in the comments. Do you want me to make a video about your favorite gaming crypto? Be a Patreon subscriber so you can request for it. Being a Patreon subscriber helps keep the channel sponsor, shill, and Moonboy free. Take care everyone. Bye-bye.